Import pandas as PD, import numpy as np, import matplotlib, pyplot as plt.matplotlib inline, plot description. This is a line plot of the sine function, sin x, over the interval from 0 to approximately 4 pi around 12.57. The x-axis is labeled pi, indicating the values are likely in terms of multiples of pi, and the y-axis is labeled sin x. Key features: function y equals sin x, y equals sin x, line style, dashed red line markers. Red circular markers O at each data point data range. X-axis 0 to approximately 12.57, which is 4 pi. Y-axis -1 to 1 appearance. The sine wave completes 2 full cycles within the given range. The plot has a wide aspect ratio, indicating it was displayed using a large figure size.